everyone, welcome to HNS Physics. Today in this session I am going to explain about plane mirror. So what is mean by plane mirror? Where we can use that plane mirror in our day-to-day life. So plane mirror gives us a image. How does that image? What are the characteristics of image? We'll discuss one by one. So this plane mirror concept is useful for 6th class to 12th class students. Now let's start about plane mirror, right? So plane mirror, here what is there? One word is there. What is that? Mirror. So first of all, what is mean by mirror? First we will discuss about mirror, right? So mirror is nothing but a smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called mirror. A smooth, highly polished, a smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called mirror, right? Generally we can see different types of mirrors in our day-to-day life. So mainly we can see plane mirrors and spherical mirrors. So today our concept is plane mirrors, so that's why we will discuss about plane mirrors only. So in the next session we can discuss about spherical mirrors, right? Now come to plane mirror. So what is mean by plane mirror? So generally almost same definition will come, but a smooth, highly polished reflecting surface like a plane or like a flat surface is called like a flat surface is called plane mirror, right? So generally if you observe the plane mirror, this is nothing but plane mirror. One side is a reflecting surface is there, other side coating will be there. So one side reflecting surface, other side coating will be there. See here how that will be. So this is the coating. So right, this is nothing but silvered surface, and other side is right reflecting surface. So this is nothing but a plane mirror. So generally where we can see this plane mirror or decoration purpose, we can use the plane mirror. So when we stand in front of a plane mirror, what will happen? See here. So before that one, I am taking plane mirror, right? So this is nothing but plane mirror. So right, I am taking one object. So when an object is placed in front of a plane mirror, so image formed behind the mirror. Image is formed behind the mirror. See here, one object. This is the plane mirror. If I take the object, that object is placed behind the mirror. Sorry, placed in front of mirror. So image is formed behind the mirror, right? So next, and the first point, that image is formed. Image is formed behind the mirror. So this is the first characteristic of image. Next, that object, this is nothing but your object, and this is nothing but image. So how much size is their object? Same size of image is formed behind the mirror. So that means what Nana here? Object size is equal to image size, right? Next, third point, mirror to object, how much distance is there? Same distance will be there, mirror to image. So for example, I am taking here x distance from mirror to object. So then same distance will be there, mirror to image also. That is nothing but what Nana here? So object distance from the mirror to object, same distance will be there, mirror to image also. Simply we can write object distance is equal to image distance from the mirror. from the mirror, image distance. And fourth point, that is very very important, lateral inversion takes place. That image will be takes place lateral inversion. So fourth point, lateral inversion takes place. That means what now here? So when we stand in front of a plane mirror, for example, just imagine this is nothing but a plane mirror. If I raise the hand, right hand, so this is the mirror. If I raise the right hand, inside the mirror, that image will be appear like this. That means this right is appear left and left is appear right. So this phenomenon is called lateral inversion. So generally where we can see this lateral inversion in our day-to-day life. So best example, arm lengths. In front of the arm lengths, the letters can be written in the reverse manner. So see here, the letters can be written here in front of arm lengths. The letters can be written reverse. That means what, Nana? In front of arm lengths, vehicles are there, no? So for example, one car is there. The driver of the car observed that arm lengths through rear view mirror. Rear view mirror means car side mirror. He can observe through mirror. Then what happened? These letters will be appear. So due to the lateral inversion, the letters appears in the correct manner. So then he can give the side to the arm lengths. So this is the best example for lateral inversion. So for more videos, for more information, follow my physics classes and also download the Sutra online app. Thank you for everyone.